Hi, this is Michael Clementi with LexJet's Tech Corner. Today I'm going to go over some tips on how to effectively change the length accuracy on your Pro Series printers. So sometimes you're printing fabric, specifically canvas, and you print a 24 by 36, and the 36 inch in length is just short by a hair. So it's going to be 35 3/4, something around there. This fix will get you to that exact 36 inch mark. So let's get started. To adjust the feed on your printer, start by loading the material and selecting the appropriate media type. Confirm the selection, then navigate to the maintenance menu. Use your finger to scroll down to paper feed adjustment and select Set Priority. Choose the media type you've loaded from the list and set your priority to prioritize length accuracy. Click OK. This action returns you to the feed adjustment menu. Here, select Adjust Feed Length, and then Print Alignment Pattern. Specify the material's location to begin the printing of the adjustment pattern. Each run consumes approximately 33 to 35 inches of material. The printout will feature two rulers, one in standard inches and one in metric centimeters. Take the printout to a flat work table and lay it out as flat as possible. Align a ruler with the printout and measure the distance from the first to the last hash mark under inches. For greater accuracy, start your measurement at the 1 inch hash mark. The total length should measure exactly 30 inches or 31 inches, including the starting point. Subtract this measurement from 30 inches. My measurement was 29.65 inches, which is 0.35 inches short. So you'll need to adjust the feed accordingly. Use the following formula to determine the adjustment percentage. Multiply 3.3333 by the difference, in this case 0.35. This calculation will be what you're going to put into the printer, positive or negative. The maximum adjustment range is positive or negative 0.7. Once you make an adjustment, it becomes the new baseline or 0 point for future adjustments. If your adjustment exceeds 0.7, divide the calculated percentage by half and input this value into the printer twice to achieve the correct length. Once you've entered in your percentages, print the alignment pattern once again and measure it. The adjustment's complete when you've measured exactly 30 inches.